Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. We've got a wild Karen in court who simply cannot keep quiet, and it nearly earns her a couple of months of free accommodation at the county's finest correctional motel. Let's jump right in.
Yes, I'm right here.
Where?
Right here.
There you are.
I got glasses on.
All right. Okay, you're here on a 2019 case for domestic battery, and I believe it's a show cause. Is her probation officer here? Miss Donovan, you were here there. Okay, how does she want to proceed, Mr. Patterson?
Judge, this is another case where I have never spoke to her about her show cause hearing, so that I am not prepared to proceed. I'm asking for continuance.
Miss Bartnick, you were here June 8th, and Judge Ricky appointed Darren Patterson. Why didn't you contact him?
Darren Patterson, I called twice. What do you mean? I've already tried contacting him, and the girl who's supposed to call told me that he would get in contact with me. That's how I got this number for Zoom meetings.
We did send out the
Okay.
Zoom link, Judge. That is correct.
Okay, I'm going
And as
to.
far as I know, he's court appointed, and so I don't pay for him. So unless I was paying to speak to him, I don't get to pay to speak to him.
Are you seriously saying you're okay with having your probation revoked today and handling this right now? That's a terrible idea, because the very court you're being rude and disrespectful to will likely hand you some jail time.
The taxpayers pay him.
Well, all I know is that I don't pay to speak to him ahead of time. So whatever we're talking about right now, I'm kind of confused as well.
Well, I'm hopefully confused about what you're saying. It's making no sense to me.
I guess so.
Okay, I'm going to continue this for 2 weeks.
And why are we continuing it? How long is
Because
this
you
going
haven't
be
talked to your
continued?
attorney, and if you don't want it continued, I'll just have the hearing right now, and you won't have the benefit of your attorney representing you.
Huh.
Yeah. Probation is a privilege. You don't have to have probation. We can revoke it right now, and you can go serve your sentence if you like.
I mean, that's fine, but
When you're the judge and not the one on probation, you can criticize whoever's in front of you all you want. Until then, Karen, you might want to keep quiet before you turn that probation into actual jail time for your criminal behavior.
what?
It's fine that it's fine that you're revoked.
No, I think you're trying to switch my words around on me, and that's not acceptable, right? No, I've already told you what I wanted to do. You're switching my words around. I'm not okay with this.
Judge, if the court is setting it over 2 weeks, I can fit her in for an appointment before that time.
Has she seen you, Miss Donovan, since she was ordered to by Judge Ricky on June 8th?
Your Honor, she was reported by phone since she was released from jail.
Have you asked her to come in any more than that?
I have not, Your Honor, because she does reside in Newton.
Okay. All right. This is not up for discussion. This is a 2019 CR case, criminal case.
You know what I mean?
Okay, ma'am, you're being disrespectful to the court who is going to decide your fate.
Go ahead. Do what you feel you need to do.
Please calm down.
No, because I think she's being rude.
Wow, you're talking to your boyfriend like he's garbage, even though he's clearly the only one in that room who actually cares about your freedom. The irony, you're treating him this way while already on probation for a domestic violence charge.
Just calm down. Just let her speak.
And I am. So you be quiet.
Just calm down.
Not serious enough for me to take judgment calls for no reason.
How old are you?
I'm 32, actually. And you?
And who is that person you're talking to?
It is my boyfriend.
The only one who needs to be quiet here, Karen, is you. You're the one on trial. And the biggest factor in whether you help or hurt your case is that crayon munching machine on your face that you just can't keep shut long enough to avoid landing in jail.
Miss
Fact of the matter-
Bartnick, here. I'm going to order that you be here in the courthouse in 2 weeks.
Oh, now I gotta make it
today.
cute.
2
Are you
weeks,
gonna pay for my ride? I don't have
Calm
transportation.
down.
2 weeks from today, you must be in the Butler County Courthouse, 201 West Pine, El Dorado.
Okay, well, I'm sure somebody will be calling on my behalf then. That's fine. I don't know.
No, you will be
I don't
there,
have a
or I will
ride.
send the sheriff out to get you.
Right, so I'm gonna be sitting in jail for another week on account of sitting around waiting to talk to you? I don't think so. I think y'all are dirty. I'm not gonna go sit in a freaking courtroom or in a jail system just so I can speak to you for another freaking week when it could already be settled right now.
All right.
So settle it right now. I'm not gonna deal with this.
Okay.
I think this is childish in all kinds of fucking ways. No, I need you to shut up too.
Citation needed. Karen, especially since there's no actual cure or treatment for Down syndrome. Sure, there might be some medication for side effects like dementia, but in my professionally unprofessional opinion, the only real prescription for you is some jail time. That might just be the lesson you need to fix that permanent scowl of yours.
What is your mental health diagnosis, Miss Martinek?
My mental health diagnosis is bitch made, and I'm a fucking ADHD bitch. And I'm not gonna sit here and let some other people who are insensitive make insensitive choices about my fucking life. As if you fucking get to do everything you want to do. You got a car, you got a house, you get to fucking pay your bills, you want to come at me like I can do all that? Please, then you better start giving me some fucking money for all this bullshit.
Are you
stuff.
taking the medication?
Injustice and unjustifiable.
Miss Martinek, are you taking the medication prescribed to you?
No, because they keep putting me on fucking Down syndrome medication like I'm retarded, and I'm not.
What do you mean, why? How about because you and your Karen won't stop talking? And frankly, your cave Karen is in direct contempt of court based on your actions today. Remember, probation is a privilege, not a right, and it would be in both of your best interests to understand that difference immediately.
I'm going to order that you be in the Butler County Courthouse this afternoon.
Oh, you gonna pay for my ride?
She doesn't have transportation.
I don't have transportation.
Okay.
She just got her life in order.
Yeah, my life
Things
is
are
in
good,
order.
she's making good decisions.
Right, until I talk to you and you want to say I didn't talk to my lawyer. That's bullcrap.
I'm issuing a bench warrant, no bond holds.
She needs counsel. She needs to speak to her attorney. Her attorney needs to be speaking for her.
Yeah, why didn't
She's
anybody
not
call
her
me?
attorney.
Bench warrant,
Ooh, I got a warrant all of a sudden.
probation is revoked.
Oh my God! Why?
Is anyone really surprised she's already on house arrest for other crimes? And don't worry, Karen, if you choose not to show up on your own, the court is more than happy to provide free transportation straight to where you need to be.
I want you, I'm ordering you, Chelsea,
Yeah.
to be back here at the Butler County Courthouse in El Dorado 2 weeks from today at 9 a.m.
Okay, I mean, that depends on transportation right now. And I've been told that this is prison for me, so I'm not for sure as far as if I'm supposed to even be leaving.
Okay.
Unless someone else notifies me that it's wrong for me to leave, I'm staying here. I have other courts here.
I think we can all agree, and yes, agree is the word you should be using here, that the idea of you remaining free is looking worse by the second.
If you are not here, I can issue and will issue a warrant for your arrest, and I will send a police officer to provide you transportation to Butler County.
I just don't see why I need to go there when we can concur everything right here.
By your own actions. Karen, you're practically begging for more than just a week behind bars. Like I said before, if you don't want to show up to court on your own, that's your choice. But they'll issue a bench warrant, which is basically a fancy way of saying you'll get a free, one-way ride to jail without passing go. All right.
That's what I don't understand. Do you have a specific reason why I need to be in El Dorado?
That is my order.
It just doesn't seem legit. It doesn't seem like a promising reason for me to be there. When I have everything, I lost a job because you all wanted to put a warrant on out for arrest on me. I can't even pay my fines because you won't give me a chance to. And now you want me to go to Butler? That just doesn't seem promising. I mean, all of this seems like a lie, like just some reason to get me caught up in something. It's just not, I'm sorry, it's just not, I do not see it happening. I don't have a ride unless you can find one, and I'm not sitting in jail for a week.